Have you ever had this feeling? You watch English videos, you listen to English movies, you understand most of the words, but when someone talks to you, your mind becomes empty. You know the answer, you feel the answer, but you cannot say it. Your mouth is silent, your heart feels nervous, and later you think, why couldn't I speak? I knew the words. If this is you, you are not alone. Today's episode is for you. My name is Ariana, and today we are going to talk about a very real problem, a problem that millions of English learners face. You understand English, but you can't speak. You feel shy, you feel scared, you feel blocked. But don't worry. In this episode, I will show you how to break this block, how to speak slowly, how to feel confident, how to use the English you already know. Let's start. Part 1, why this problem happens. First, let's understand something. You are not weak. You are not bad at English. Your brain is working, but it is working in the wrong way. When you listen, your brain says, I understand. But when you speak, your brain says, wait, translate first, check grammar, choose perfect words, don't make mistakes. And suddenly, you freeze. This is called overthinking. You think too much and you speak too little. That is the main problem. Part 2, the fear of making mistakes. Let me ask you something. Are you afraid of making mistakes? Do you think, what if people laugh? What if I say it wrong? What if I sound stupid? If yes, that fear is stopping you. Remember this, every good English speaker was once a bad speaker. They made mistakes, they said wrong words, they felt shy, but they did not stop. They continued, and now they speak well. Mistakes are not enemies, mistakes are teachers. Part 3. You know more than you think. Now listen carefully. You already know English? Yes? You do. You know, hello, thank you. How are you? I'm fine, I like it, I don't know. Can you help me? These are English. You use them so you can speak. The problem is not knowledge. The problem is confidence. You are waiting to be perfect. But perfect never comes. Start with simple. Start now. Part 4, stop translating in your head. Many learners do this. They think in their language, then translate, then speak. Example, in your mind, man tak gaya hun. Then, okay, tired. I am tired. This takes time. It creates stress. Instead, practice thinking. I am tired. Directly, no translation. This is slow at first, but powerful. Do it every day. With small sentences. Part 5, daily speaking practice. Easy way. Now, let's practice. Repeat after me, slowly. I am learning English. I want to speak better. I am not afraid of mistakes. I practice every day. Good. Now try this at home. In the mirror, say, today I woke up early. I had breakfast. I went to work. I am tired but happy. Talk to yourself. Yes, alone. It works. Part 6. Small conversations build big confidence. You don't need long speeches. Start small. At a shop? Can I have this, please? With a friend? How was your day? On phone? Sorry, can you repeat? These are wins. Every small talk is progress. Every sentence is success. Part 7. Shadowing practice. Now, let's do shadowing. Repeat after me. I understand English. I am learning to speak. I speak slowly and clearly. I feel more confident every day. I am proud of myself. Again, I understand English. I am learning to speak. I speak slowly and clearly. I feel more confident every day. I am proud of myself. Excellent. Part 8. Real story. Let me share a story. My friend Maya understood English very well, but she never spoke. In meetings, she stayed quiet. One day, she decided, I will speak one sentence every day. Just one. At first, she was nervous, but she did it. After 3 months, she was talking, not perfect, but confident. Now she enjoys English. You can be like Maya. Part 9, build a new habit. From today, do this. Every morning, say 3 sentences in English. Every evening, describe your day in English. Every night, repeat this. I am improving. This habit will change you. Dear friend, you are brave. You are learning a new language. Many people never try, but you are trying. That means you will succeed slowly, step by step, word by word. Don't quit. Don't doubt yourself. You are growing. Now, we are near the end. Today, we talked about why you can't speak, how to break fear, how to practice, how to believe in yourself. Remember, you understand English. That is a big achievement. Now it's time to speak. Even if it's slow, even if it's wrong, speak, practice, grow. My name is Ariana, and I'm proud of you for listening today. See you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep speaking, keep shining.